Hello beautiful soul family, and welcome to my channel. And today's video is the anticipated February pattern haul. The first pattern is Mccall's Archive Collection M7184, which is the overall skirt mommy and me set. I plan to make one for me and my daughter, but not much. I'm not going to go into much detail about this first one. That's the first pattern. Here's the second one, Mccall's M8009, which is the romper set, the long sleeve and short sleeve romper set, or the one without sleeves. Beautiful as well. Here's the third pattern, which is Mccall's Sentinel Cosplay. I'm so ready to get it in cosplay. It's a beautiful thing, but I'll go into detail about that also later. The next pattern is this beautiful kimono cosplay pattern. I love this. This is just beautiful. I'm getting the vibes off this. Here's the next one, which is the Charm School Charm Girl pattern. Not much detail on that either. The next pattern will be your basic circle skirt. It's the long one without a train, and you can do that for prom as well. The next one is beautiful bridal Elegance Mccall pattern. Decisions for my wedding dress that I plan to make for myself. Last but not least, here's the brief and sweet ending to this video. The nurse scrub set with the bonnet. I plan to make one for my best friend. She doesn't know just yet, but I might cast out the bag now, so definitely gonna make that bonnet. I'm loving that. And this is a late one. Peace out, you guys. Bye.
Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. I open up.